So we got the 5640 in here, and we have been having a lot of trouble with this thing, and this thing was parked in the way. I couldn't get it started. It's been super annoying. Found this website called FridayParts, and these parts came from them. So here's our starter, and we got some air filters. This is one of them here. We got all the filters put away. I have to say, I think my jaw hit the floor when I got the price for the total for these filters. I don't know what happened, but man, filter price has gotten so high. I don't know, it just seemed like it was so surprising this year. So anyway, it's kind of nice to have some other options. I got these filters from FridayParts. This is for the V270. This is the air filter that goes in that loader. Looking at my invoice from these filters and the invoice from FridayParts. And for the filter kit, the inner and outer for the V270, our other skid loader, the total was like $65 from FridayParts, and it was like over $113 for the filters that we got from this invoice. I mean, I guess we'll have to see how the quality compares. That's a legitimate question, but man, for that kind of price difference, I think we need to look at some of those options a little bit harder, because man, it's just really expensive to keep things maintained these days. So yeah, check it out. See if you can get some filters for a little bit cheaper. It looks like there might be some options out there.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.